Ain't you supposed to be in school, little girl? You not supposed to have your phone out in Texas. That's a law. What's going on, y'all? What's going on? Y'all, appreciate y'all jumping in. We're getting ready to break down the market, man. We're about to research the market, what's happening right now on this back stretch. You're not supposed to be on your phone, but I miss y'all too. YouTube, no, I'm not Delulu. Use TradingView. I feel you. I'm gonna show you a tool that's a little bit better though. Not mad at TradingView. No beef with TradingView. No beef at all with TradingView, man. TradingView is a powerful tool for, charting and things like that, but we're doing something a little bit more advanced in charting. TradingView is not going to automatically chart for you, find out all of this information for you, right? It's not going to do analysis and break down the different signals and all of that stuff for you. So this is a proprietary AI model that has been created specifically for my options traders. We're working on a futures tool, a crypto tool, all of that. So, man, y'all jump in. Yeah, for sure. Hey, if TradingView is your steez, stay with TradingView. Not asking people to abandon TradingView. This is just to add a tool to your tool belt. What up, y'all? What up, y'all? Ain't y'all supposed to be in class, man? I guess y'all in high school now. Y'all straight. I know. What's today? A Tuesday? Y'all probably don't got ACC today or something. So what's happening? What's happening with Microsoft A? Took a little drawdown. What's going on, y'all? Appreciate y'all jumping in the live. We are doing some options trading research, looking at some contracts, seeing what Zori says about them. Y'all drop a ticker in the chat if y'all want me to look at a specific company. Apple contract is looking good. All right, let's come back over here. Let's see. What's the y'all drop a ticker in the chat. Drop a ticker in the chat. Let me know what y'all are trying to do. Let's take a look at NVIDIA. $500 budget for NVIDIA. So yeah, right now the AI is scanning all of the NVIDIA contracts, looking for specific signals, trying to figure out what are the highest ranking plays according to quantitative analysis, right? So we just breaking everything down, keeping it nice and simple. You can go get this tool right here, xoptional.com/beta for $1 a month for the next 12 months. There's 75 spots left. All right, let's check it out. Expiration 4/24. What's that? It's in 10 days, 9 days it's saying, because we already with today. 195. I actually like this. You got earnings coming up. It's barely out of the money. Dang, NVIDIA's having an amazing day. I think I'm gonna take this, and I'll probably scalp it. Might take some drawdown. Let me do a deep dive. Let me research what's really going on behind the scenes. What's my risk? The conservative bullish call option aims to capitalize on moderate upward price movement. The delta of 0.51 indicates that every dollar increase, the gamma. All right. I am going over the platform that I built, this AI platform that I built for options traders. So this is the tool. All right, the thesis: NVIDIA exhibits strong short-term bullish momentum, trading above key moving averages. Its upper Bollinger Band signal potential for the upside. I like that. Support level at 192, resistance at 197. Momentum indicators are robust. My RSI is at 71. Strong buying pressure. Complemented by the bullish MACD. Let's see, these verdict. Strong bullish trend in NVIDIA driven by robust momentum, price action, exceeding key resistance. All right, I like this. I like this play. I'm gonna go back to the term. I'm gonna go ahead and add this into L portfolio. See if we can't hit some. Yeah, appreciate it. Thank you. This is, been working on it for the past 4 or 5 months. Finally got it built out. We're accepting beta members right here, xoptional.com/beta for $1 a month for the next 12 months. The most powerful options trading tool out there, I promise you. Promise you that. I can promise you that. All right, we're looking at NVIDIA. Let's go take a look at the charts for NVIDIA. So currently building out a model to where like you don't have to go and like screenshot the chart and go drop it into like ChatGPT or Gemini or whatever your AI, model that you use. We're building our own where it literally looks at the chart on the screen and you can ask it questions right there live. It takes all your drawings, so you can still do your trend lines and things like that here. And it's a fully functional chart. It's proprietary, so it has like certain options indicators and things that we built to assess different things. You come and look at all the signals that the model is looking at. So right now it is showing a little bit overbought, but IV is low, so options are still pretty cheap at this level. The MACD is bullish, so it's a lot of strong buying pressure happening right now. Yeah, so the AI basically, it goes through all of the options contracts that are available out there, and it just breaks everything down and puts it into layman's terms so that you don't have to spend 30 minutes, 40 minutes researching a company, researching the financials and analytics and all of that stuff. Pulls news. So what's happening right now in the market with this particular ticker, anything happening, or their acquisitions or the risk, upgrade mergers. It's keeping track of all of this. It's got the sentiment score right now. So, NVIDIA, if you're following the market, right, NVIDIA is hot right now. Microsoft is hot right now. Most of the tech stocks, really. Apple's kind of floating, kind of like even right now. So, Jace, what's up? What's up, Jace? So this tool is built to help you kind of weave through all of the fluff and get through all of that noise and keep you focused. Everything, you can do everything right here. So we can say, hey, what's happening with NVIDIA today? Let's see if this tool is working now. I've been working on it this morning, so let's see if I got it going. So there you go. NVIDIA is currently trading at 194.85. It's up 2.3 today. Here's the volume. Do you want a full quantitative analysis on NVIDIA? So it's going to give you a full breakdown on what's actually happening with the NVIDIA stock. And then you can come to generate ideas. It's going to populate it right here. You put in your budget, specifically what your budget is. Let's say my budget is 700. I'm going to ask Zord to go find options contracts, rank them, score them that fit inside of my budget, and then do deep dive analysis on them so that I can track the performance in my paper trading portfolio if I want to. That way I could trade risk free without going and blowing accounts. I know a lot of people have these like prop accounts and all of that stuff. You're spending a bunch of money to learn when it shouldn't be like that difficult. You shouldn't have to spend that much money. 200 call. So it generates these three ideas. It generates a conservative, a moderate, and a aggressive play. And so when it does that, it is basically breaking it down based on the possibility of profitability, right? And so you can come in here, ask Zord to do a deep dive on this specific contract. It'll do the deep dive on the contract. It'll give you the immediate risk analysis and tell you what's going on with this specific contract. So it's just meant to be a companion to add to your tool belt for your trading journey. And you would think like something like this would cost like $100 a month. It doesn't. Right now in the beta program, xoptional.com/beta is $1 a month for the next 12 months if you get in the beta program. And so there's 100 spots, there's 75 spots still left. 25 have already been claimed. There's 100 total spots in the beta cohort. Basically bringing the beta members on here, one, is saying that you're serious about your trading journey. If you're not willing to invest $1 in yourself, in your education, on your trading journey, this probably isn't the thing for you. Or you might just not like the product. And that's okay. You know, I know a lot of people are out here spending money on trading courses, and Memorial Herman, why are they calling me? I don't know. They're, spending a lot of money on these trading courses, jumping in these Discord servers, paying people to go do live trading and things like that with them. And to be frank with you, like, these people are not truly helping you. You're just copy trading. That's what you're doing. You're paying for access to copy trade somebody, and so you're not truly learning the skill of trading. You're not learning how to actually do the analysis. And if you're just gonna pay to copy trade, you might as well just go get a tool that's gonna break down, different contracts and signals for you. Hey, appreciate everybody jumping in that has jumped in so far. Right now we are just touring xoptional.com. It's in a beta program right now. It's an options research platform. Crypto as well and futures is being built out currently. So this is going to be the number one stop for retail traders out there. Basically what it's doing is it's a lot of mathematical models that these big hedge firms and Wall Street firms and things like that are using to do their analysis. And I'm taking all of that experience, all of that coding and things like that, and just packaging it up for you guys in a really affordable package. Right currently right now, xoptional.com/beta. You can get a subscription for $1 a month, and if you use the code TikTok, you get your first month free. So come in, try the platform for 30 days for free, and if you don't love it, cancel your subscription. It's easy peasy, lemon squeezy. If you don't love it, cancel your subscription. But I promise you, this is one of the most, if not the most powerful research tool available to you out there right now. So drop a ticker in the chat. We'll do an analysis. We'll see what's going on with that specific stock. Let's check out. Yeah, the market looking good today. Why is Apple not moving? I wonder. Typically though, man, Apple is one of those weird Mag 7s. It doesn't really move with everybody else. It moves to the beat of its own drum. Let's go take a look at Tesla. Let's see what Elon is up to. All right. So yeah, this is one of the cool features of X Optional. It auto draws for you on the chart. So it's giving you all of the different support and resistance areas and ranges that it's trading in currently. It's drawing those moving averages. You can come in here and do your own drawings. You can clear it so you can have space. You can come in here and do your own drawings and set trend lines and things like that. Fibonacci's, draw rectangles, horizontal lines, all of that just like you would on TradingView. But the benefit of this platform is it's going to do the analysis for you, so that you can spend more time looking at other stocks and companies. So it's just going to cut down your research time. Pulls the options chains. What's going on right now? What we got going on right now? Right now at the money, 525. Let's go do let's analyze the ticker. I didn't want to do Apple. What about Tesla? So when you do that quant analysis, it's going to generate 3 different contracts, right? It's going to give you a kind of a confidence score in them and what the outlook is. Let's see, 360 put expiring 5/1. I'm actually not mad at that, but I don't know, just based on where the market is currently. You know, it's not bottomed out down here, which I don't anticipate it going down to. But, you know, let me have it. Gonna draw like a little support there. Here's my next level of resistance here. So we're kind of in this window right here. Tesla has consistently missed earnings. News is pretty positive today. We have heavy call action. So be looking for contrarian bearish signals, right? That's why we're looking at put contracts right now. IV is pretty low. This favors buying opportunities. So volatility is higher than the 20-day historical volatility. So this is actually indicating that the options are somewhat overpriced relative to how they used to be. So this could favor selling premiums. If we look at some of just kind of the historical moves, Tesla doesn't really string, I mean, it does string a lot of green together, but you know, we're kind of strung some of that together. So I'm actually going to take this put contract. So let me see. Oh, it's for, what day was that? 5/15. Put 14:30 right now. I like this. Ooh, that's another feature I could add. You've got mail. All right, let me up my budget to 1,500. Do a breakdown. This one is in the money. I'm gonna go ahead and take this one. about to get 2 contracts of that. Let me journal this also so I can just kind of keep track. Boom, immediately. Not doing too bad. Not doing too bad. Yeah, y'all come on in, man. Check it out. xoptional.com/beta. It is $1 a month currently. Taking a little drawdown on the Tesla. Let's go. Is there any Tesla news out? What's happening today with Tesla? Why do they have me on a gaming stream? I don't even know. Couldn't even tell you. No news on Tesla? Nothing crazy going on with Tesla? Let's go back to research here. Tesla stock upgraded, of course. AI progress will come. Stock rally toward record highs. Oil crashes 7% as Iran talks show progress, of course. Surges with Model S signature plan. Yeah. Tesla drop tomorrow. You're gonna come in and swoop it up and try to figure out how to grab everybody before Trump comment triggers massive short squeeze. Market deep into resistance zone. What we talking about here? I would say so. Don't get caught up in the hype, y'all. Don't get caught up in the hype. I think I made the right play. We'll figure it out, though. We'll figure it out, of course. See how this looks in the morning. If you locked in with me, drop a ticker in the chat. We can do some research together on the platform. Let's check it out. All right, y'all. About to head out. All right, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Jordan. I'm the founder, CEO of xoptional.com, and today I'm going to do a little walkthrough of the xoptional.com platform and all of the power that is put right into your laptop, your desktop, your phone. All right, so first and foremost, when you get into the platform, you're going to be met with the terminal. The terminal is going to be like your home base. This is where you come in and generate ideas. You talk to Zori. You can check your portfolio, explain different type of signals that Zori looks at. You can see your account balances, of course, all of your links and everything here. All right. So let's check my portfolio real quick. Let's see how my positions are doing. Boom, boom, boom. Portfolio currently has 3 open positions. All right. Here's the summary. Win rate 63%, average win of $444. So Zori works. Let's just say that, right? Zori works. It is a powerful tool. It's going to break down and do everything that those Wall Street quants and these hedge funds and these big firms out here that are moving the market. We have the tools that they have, right? And we've built the tools that they use every day to exploit the market and to win more trades. And I want to be able to bring those tools directly to you, and not have you pay $25,000 a year for a subscription, right? Really, we're 0.001 of that, right? Because currently right now, if you jump in right now, xoptional.com/beta will get you in to the platform for $1. That's right, $1. And if you use code TikTok, go ahead and follow us on TikTok. If you use code TikTok, you will get in for free for the first month. Come try the platform out. If you don't like it, cancel it. There is no contracts that you have to sign, nothing like that. Just come on in, do some research, experience the power of Zori, and I promise you'll love it. All right, so you'll come in, we'll do some research. Let's look at the market. The market's pretty green today. A lot of tech stocks are going up. We have the war talks, peace talks that are happening right now. So market is hopefully anticipating some movement there. So that's why we're so green today. Of course, oil prices are down today because of that, but neither here nor there. That's readily available information. What's not readily available is this. So let's come in here. I'm going to do some research on NVIDIA stock. I'm going to say, and this is for options, I'm going to say I have $500 to invest in an NVIDIA option. I want you to scan the market, right? Boom, it does. Scans the market for all of the calls on put options out there in NVIDIA that meet my budget criteria. It's going to output 3 different ideas. It's going to output a conservative, a moderate, and a aggressive. And it's going to say these are the particular contracts. Here's what you could risk. So you could throw it right into your paper trading portfolio. You can journal it. So I'm going to journal it. I'm going to save this idea. You can go and do further charting research on this particular stock, or you can ask Zori to do a full breakdown of this particular stock. And that's what we're going to do. I'm going to click Ask Zori. It's going to go through and analyze all of the signals, running through 4 different pricing models, and basically print out a thesis for you on this particular options contract. This is changing the game. No more just looking at charts, looking at open and close candlesticks and all of that stuff. That's an outdated way to go and compete in the market. We don't need more access to charts. You need access to more data and more synthesizing of said data. So it gives you this thesis. Quantitative analysis suggests a bullish outlook. All right, so it's looking at all of these different things: the underlying price, the SMAs, the RSIs, the MACDs, and it's putting all of this together and synthesizing it, into basically easy to read format. So it gives you a verdict, right? The verdict is the confluence of strong technical indicators and price action above key moving averages supports continued bullish trend for Nvidia. All right, so it's going to give you that. Let's say you want to kind of know what's going on. Is there any news on Nvidia that I should keep my eye on? Right, so you can chat right here with Zori based on this particular contract. Latest news: overall sentiment for Nvidia news is neutral. 1 bullish article, 9 neutral articles out of the 10 that is pulled. A notable bullish headline indicates that the S&P 500 Nasdaq rally as tech gains outweigh energy pullback, suggesting a positive trend for tech stocks. So we're kind of looking like we're going back on an up and up. It looks like the war's subsiding a little bit, and there's a lot of movement with the AI stocks and the tech stocks. So I like this. So I'm going to go back to my terminal and I'm going to go ahead and paper trade this idea. So it goes right into my portfolio. Let's say I just want to do further research on it. So I can pull up the charts and look at what's actually happening. Once again, you can come in here and chat with Zori on everything. We are fully transparent and showing you the signals right here, color coded, so you can kind of see exactly what's happening in the moment. It's showing you the different support places, the different resistance places, the different max pain. You can come in here and do a simulation on particular contracts. You can put the contracts you want to look at in here. You can come and look at the correlations with the entire market, see how Nvidia is moving in accordance to the entire market. This is the most powerful research tool that you have at your disposal. xoptional.com/beta. Get it for $1 a month. $1 a month for the next 12 months. If you get locked into the beta program, we have 75 spots remaining. Come on in, jump in, take a look. You get your portfolio right here, your paper trading portfolio, so you can see your performance happening real time. What's going on? I have 4 active positions, a little bit of red, a little bit of drawdown, but that's to be expected when you're doing options trading. But as you can see, the ones that I was in earlier today, we're in the green for the day, right? We're in the green for the day using Zori, and we're in the green for a long time using Zori. Average win 444, average loss 206. We have a 63% win rate. For anybody that knows, that's extremely high for traders. All right, and it's all about risk mitigation too. It's about managing your risk and all of that. So you come in here, you can get your news all in one place. You can search specific tickers there. Also here, you want to really learn options trading, come in here to the Learning Academy. No more paying for trading courses. No more paying for trading courses. All right, y'all come in here, you're gonna learn the ins and out of options trading You take Options 101. We have explainer videos. You come in here, you can read about it. What is an option? What is a call? What is a put? Come in here, no more paying for trading courses, okay? You're not paying $1,000 to copy trade people anymore. We're coming in, we're doing it ourselves. You can come and be an affiliate of this program. Earn money by just referring this out to other people, right? Generate ideas, earn money, improve your trades. This is the most powerful tool out there right now, okay? So many features, like I can't even put everything into just a small video, but there's so many features that are available in this platform, and I can't wait to show you guys more. Come in right now, xoptional.com/beta, $1 a month for the next 12 months, 75 spots remaining. All right, y'all come in, check it out.